Okay, here are the 6 p.m. chimes from St. John's Church. On Sunday, June 22nd. Wait, July 22nd. Not June, or June already passed. 2012. There you go. Oh boy. Huh? Mm-hmm. Mm.